Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another tips and tricks video. This one is about the clock again. On Sunday, which is the day Britain put its clocks back an hour, we had to change the clocks in the car. So I showed you a video on how to do it, where I went menu, setup, clock, and we did it in this setup here. Well, tonight I'm going to credit this video to a subscriber, and he's known as Steven Spielberg on YouTube. This subscriber told me another way to change the clock, and it does exactly the same as I did, but it misses a couple of steps out. It doesn't matter which menu you're in, anywhere, as long as the time is displayed on the top. If you touch the time, it takes you to the menu I took you to, where we turned daylight saving time on. Literally, you just touch the clock, takes you to the menu I took you to. So I credit it to the subscriber who's known as Steven Spielberg. It's his tip. I did message him, thanked him for the information, and I did put in the comment I'd make a video on it. He hasn't come back and said no, it's mine, but I feel it's only right to credit the tip to him. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Please click like if you like these videos. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again for watching. Can you see that? That isn't a rabbit, that's a hare. It's just disappeared.